Hi! Today in this video, we're excited to walk you through how Camel Tech completely transformed the operations of a high-growth venture capital firm by designing a centralized, scalable Notion system tailored for their fast-paced investment workflows. If your team is managing multiple founders, finances, and projects, this system will show you what's possible when everything finally lives in one clean, connected space. But behind the scenes, their own internal systems were fragmented. They needed structure, clarity, and a workspace as agile as the founder they backed. Camel Tech stepped in to unify their workflows using Notion, building a powerful internal operating system that connects clients, projects, goals, finances, content, and SOPs in one seamless platform. Let's bring it on what we built. It all starts with a clean home dashboard and custom navigation bar, making it easy for the team to jump straight into what matters most: tasks, finances, content, or client work. Next, we built a powerful to-do and follow-up system, a centralized to-do database that services key items across projects, goals, clients, and follow-ups, so no task falls through the cracks. When it comes to project management, we make sure the team has full visibility. Their project gallery now features pre-built templates, visual timelines, and health indicators, so leadership can immediately spot what's on track, at risk, or overdue. Managing clients became easier with a full pipeline and organized profiles. We implemented a full client pipeline with 1. Lead stages and follow-up dates. 2. Active client profiles with contact details and contract terms. And 3. Tasks filtered specifically by client. We also made sure long-term goals are tied to daily work. The integrated goals and tasks database ensures that high-level strategy is directly tied to daily progress. For performance and financial insights, we built interactive dashboards. Teams can now review dashboards that break down their incomes and expenses and project health, all in one place. Financial analysis includes breakdowns by month, quarter, and year, as well as by category. The client or project stats showcase a quick, interactive overview of client and project health. Content creation is streamlined with a full social media engine. We built a full content engine that contains content pipeline, idea submission form, content calendar, AI-powered content templates. Each meeting now has structure, powered by AI. We created a meeting database that includes weekly goals review for current and past weeks, and uses AI to generate smart notes. From onboarding to internal workflows, everything is systemized for scale. A centralized SOP library ensures every repeat process is documented, accessible, and scalable. As a final touch, we gave the CEO a private space, and even a little fun. With idea dumps, strategic notes, and linked views of goals and projects, as well as company KPIs across all their companies, and a bonus page for the CEO's pet. Now their workflows are automated. Collaboration is smooth and growth is finally scalable. This wasn't just a Notion workspace, it's a business operating system built for a modern VC firm. If you're running a fast-moving team and want to eliminate scattered tools, reduce manual work, and actually scale, reach out to Camel Tech. Thanks for watching.